everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I am doing my favorite, my power hours. I have somewhere to run to, but I'm one of those people who can't leave the house without their house being clean, so I'm gonna take a few minutes and straighten up at least the kitchen area. I just want to show you guys some finds that I found at my local Kroger's. Was that Kroger's? Is it my Kroger's? Okay, yeah, Kroger's. So they had these pork flavored ramen noodles. I love ramen noodles, but I usually only eat the chicken or the shrimp, even the beef. But they had these pork ones for 9 cents, like 9 cents. So I bought 2 cases of it, and what I'm going to do is just not use the pork seasoning. We're just going to use the noodles for it, and we can add our own season. So still, then I found these vitamins, Toy Story 4 ones. My kids do take vitamins, all 3 of them. And I found these 108. Normally they are $15, but I got them for $4.49. So I bought 2 of those, another steal. So this would have been $30, but I only paid $10. Then what I'm really excited about is this berry box. So it says they're normally $10.99, but I got it for 99 cents. And I got 2 of them. I have the purple one, and it comes with a lid. And if you don't know about berry box, it's something that you can wash your fruit in, and you can store it, and it helps preserve it longer. And it comes in that. So I have a purple one, and then I got a blue one also for 99 cents. So happy for my finds today.